In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore contacts in Gmail. It's a super useful skill, especially if you've ever accidentally deleted or lost your contacts and need to recover them quickly. So let's dive right into the process and get your contacts back where they belong. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Contacts. You can do this by simply typing contacts.google.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. This will bring you directly to the Google Contacts interface, where you have access to all your stored contacts. Once you're on the Google Contacts page, look towards the left-hand side of the screen and find the navigation panel. Here, you'll see a series of options, but the one we're interested in is labeled Trash. Click on this to view contacts that have been deleted within the last 30 days. This is where you can recover them if they've been removed recently. Now, inside the Trash section, you should see a list of any contacts that have been deleted. Take a look through this list and see if the contacts you want to recover are there. If they are, you're in luck. Contacts are recoverable for up to 30 days after deletion. Once you find the contact you'd like to restore, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a small checkbox appear next to each contact. Click this checkbox to select the contact you want to restore. If you have multiple contacts you'd like to recover, simply check all the boxes next to them. After selecting the contacts, look at the top of the list, where you'll see a row of icons. There's one with a curved arrow labeled Restore. Click on this, and your selected contacts will be returned to their original position in your contacts list. An important tip to keep in mind is that the trash only holds deleted contacts for 30 days, so it's crucial to act quickly once you realize you've lost a contact. If more than 30 days have passed, unfortunately, you won't be able to restore them from the trash and might need to explore other recovery options. And there you have it. Once the process is completed, your contacts should now be back in place, ready for you to access whenever you need them. It's a simple and efficient way to make sure you always have your important connections right at your fingertips. Remember, staying organized and regularly backing up your contacts can prevent future hiccups. Keeping your contacts updated and backed up will ensure that you're always prepared, with minimal interruption in your communications. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips on managing your digital life. Take care and see you in the next video.